Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS5 to hotel internet. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 is fully updated and all system software is current before attempting to connect to any new network. This crucial preparation step helps prevent common issues, ensuring a smoother experience. Power on your console and navigate to the settings menu, getting ready for the network configuration, as this initial setup is key to successful gaming on the go. Once in your network settings, choose to set up internet connection and select Wi-Fi. The console will scan for available networks, find and select your hotel's Wi-Fi from the list. If it's a secured network, you will be prompted to enter the provided password at this stage. Sometimes, you might not see the common captive portal right away, so don't worry if it seems like a standard connection. Many hotel networks use a captive portal, which is a web page you must interact with before gaining full internet access. Your PS5 should automatically prompt you to open this page after connecting to the Wi-Fi. If it doesn't, try launching an internet-dependent application like a web browser or a game to trigger the portal. Enter any required information, like your room number and last name, to complete the login process and gain full access. If the web browser method fails, you might need to register your PS5 MAC address with the hotel. Find this address in your network connection status under Settings. Provide this unique identifier to the hotel's front desk staff, who can manually grant your console network access. Alternatively, some hotels allow you to register devices through their portal using a separate phone or laptop, offering another pathway to connect your PlayStation 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.